My name is Sean Roberts. I am one of the co-founders of Legal Alerts, the service that you are looking at right here on the screen. I want to tell you a little bit about Legal Alerts in this screencast to help you become more familiar with it and hopefully help you appreciate what we've seen in the service, which is something that saves time, reduces worry and stress also at the same time. Legal Alerts allows lawyers and other people that are interested to be notified every time a new event happens in a case that's on the Oklahoma State Courts network. And you might go check that network out if you've not seen it before. It's oscn.net. Most attorneys in Oklahoma will be very familiar with it. They'll have cases that are in one of the OSCN counties. Things will happen in those cases, and then they will get an alert through this system. I'm going to kind of take you for a quick tour. It's a monthly subscription service, and you subscribe to any of our plans. Subscription is simple. You just choose the number of cases that you believe you want to track, and you check out with PayPal, and you go through that process, and it brings you back to the website, and you create your username, and then you are ready to go, and you end up with a screen that looks like this. And I'll just show you my screen. These are my cases, some of the different cases I'm involved in. You have this table which shows all the cases you're involved in, and it gives you a specific name that you can create for the case, a case number, the county, whether the case is active or not the last time our service checked. You can go directly to the OSCN by doing this, and this takes me to the actual docket sheet on the OSCN, and I can see what's going on there. And when I mention docket entries, it's any of these things you see, and it might be a document that's filed, it might be a hearing that's set, or anything along those lines. You get an email that tells you what's going on, and I'll quickly see that. Over here you can manage your alerts, you can edit them. And here I could change the name, I could make it inactive, and then you also have the ability to just delete an alert so you can kind of manage your case limit. Now, one of the other things to keep in mind is adding a case is very simple. You go here and you can do it by bar number. I could put my bar number in. A person who didn't have a bar number could put first name and last name in. You can choose the county you want to search in. You can choose the time period. And I will give you a real quick look at that, how that might work. My bar number is no secret, so I will type it in there. I will say, let's say the last 3 years in Tulsa County. And actually, let's go all, because I've not done a whole lot in Tulsa County recently. So I click that in there. It shows that I've been involved in a few cases. I don't do much in Tulsa County, obviously. And if I want to track all those cases, I just click the checkbox there, and I add selected, and all of a sudden I now have all those cases. 3 cases added successfully, and there will be in my cases table. Now, the other thing to keep in mind, a feature that we just added, and which I'm going to do a separate video about, which is very exciting, is name search. And this allows anybody, attorney, non-attorney, to follow a person. And every time a case is filed with that person's name in it, you get an alert. What could this be used for? I think we're talking here about trying to track a prominent individual like a politician or a sports figure or a business leader. Name search would cover a whole lot of things that might be useful, and I'm going to do another video about that, so please check that out. So we're done with this video. I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions, definitely feel free to email us. My email is sean@legalizedsoftware.com. And give the service a try. We have a free trial, which is awesome. You got 2 weeks to try it for free without getting billed. You can see if you like it, see how it works for you. If it does, then you're off and set. If not, there is no obligation. Thank you.